What's up guys and welcome to Project Review. So let's get started. First we have Animation Studio V0.9 by Ultra Cupcake. So I think this is a type of animation maker. By seeing the screen we can see there are color controls, size control, then we have play button. This is the I think 1Z or I think 12. This might be the FPS, and we have the frames. So let's see. So I can change the color. This pop-up is really good. So let's take some red. So red, let's see. Let's make a high type animation, like it will say hi, simple one. Let's try this. 12 FPS is good. So also it has onion skinning. This is a type of animation. This is looking like dancing, but this is not at all like a high animation. But this is looking good. So I can adjust the speed, I think. Yeah, this is looking really good. If I decrease, let's see, like 8 FPS. So this is slow now. And if we increase to 12, this is looking normal. So this is really good. You can change colors, we can make shapes like this. Then we have lines. You have lines, but you don't have click boxes. Like you could make a box in which we could click instead of clicking on the line itself. So this is a really good project. Like it has everything it requires. This also looks good. There is nothing to fix. I think this is the perfect project. So let's move on to the next project. Pixels, a clicker by Johan Matthew. Let's see this game. So I think this is made from my Cookie Clicker series. You can check it out. The link is in the description or info card above. So let's see this game. Music is really loud. So let's see. So the animations and things are already implemented. I think this is a remix, not followed tutorial. As you can see, assets are the same, and even the sound effects. This does not look good. Like you can see, it is not matching. You can see the shop. The shop is like red and green. Then we have blue buttons with red and white symbols, and then we have the cookie, which is like yellow and blue, and the background is orange. This is not matching up. And this is also not looking good. Like the text is so black and I think it is bold. So this is not looking good. Then we have cloud clicks. This is a variable shown on the screen, which is really long, and also variables do not look good on screen. So this is not looking good. Also the lights are flipped, like upside down. So the part which should be behind the cookies at the top. So this is not looking good. The only thing I like about this game is this thumbnail pop-up. Like you can start the game, when you click on stop, you can see this thumbnail comes up, and this is really good. You can just work on the looks of the game. It is not really good looking, but otherwise the mechanics are really good. So Bubble by Max Nova. So let's see this game. Okay. Oh, I can. Oh, so we can. It will follow our mouse pointer. Okay, so what? Oh, so these are bullets, I think. Let's see if we can hit. Okay, so these are bullets. Okay, we have a timer, we have score. I think this is the score. What is this? Not increasing at all. Oh, this type of difficulty, I think. As you can see, it is increasing when we move forward in time. Okay, so this was a really good game. This looks good, it feels good, and it has a good music and good art. I cannot say anything bad about this game because this is really good. You can just add some things like menus and things to make it look really like a big game and things. This just a click to start game, so you can just add some things. So the next game is not like in Scratch because it has been converted to HTML, and you can see this is made in Scratch but not played in Scratch, because I tried it in Scratch, but this is like out of the stage. So I'm playing it here. He also sent me a HTML file. So this is a really awesome game. As you can see here, press enter to open the shop. So this is the shop. Use the shop to buy upgrades. So this is really good. Let's buy one. We cannot buy one. What's the price? It is not telling the price. It also has music. It has 3 tracks. You can see Lofi, Classic, and Trap. And then we have some cool background stuff like this bubbles going up, and this is like a lava or something. This looks really good. I don't know how he got this, but this is looking really good. This game is also in 60 FPS, I think, because this is really smooth, and full screen is looking really good. Like it is not looking like it is made in Scratch. Now let's see the start menu. I forgot to review that. So we have a typewriter animation. All songs are free to use. Cover yourself in oil. So here we have a good start menu. This is looking really good. Let's see the settings. Music on, better background, music mouse trails. Wow, this is looking really good. Like this is really good. We have 60 FPS, so this is looking better, even better. Then we have start button. This is looking really good. Let's start. Click the marshmallow to gain clicks. Okay. So this is a really good game. The only problem with this game is that it doesn't show the price of the upgrade. Like first it is 100, then it is 150, but it is not told in even in the instructions nor in the shop. So I think it should be there, like some type of, like you added the, when we hover our mouse over the play button, it should start and things. So you can just add the same thing in the shop too, so that will work. And otherwise this game is really good. If I would have rated it for the looks, I'll rate it 10 out of 10. And for the gameplay, like there are not many options. Like you can only buy one upgrade, there are no more upgrades, or might be there, I don't know. But if it is not shown, it is like you are playing for nothing. So you need to add that. The music is really good, the looks are really good, and the plus point is you have made it in HTML and also 60 FPS and in like high quality. I think this is in 1080p or 720p. So this is looking really good. Let's move on to the next project. So Cookie Clicker 1 by Han. So let's see this. This is also from my series, I think. Let's see if it is from my series. Okay, so this is from my series. I can see with the buttons here and also the achievement. Most clicks 69,433. So here you can see he has added an like type of good sound effect. This is a good sound effect. The light is looking really good. Like I didn't tell how to add this, but this is looking really good. Then we have plus, like we can buy upgrades. That is good, but there is no sound effect for them. So I think it should be there. And also the cookie is looking really good. The screen, this movement is really good. This hovering mouse over this, and also the smiley face is looking really good. But it has no shop. Like there is no shop. You can just rely on upgrades and nothing else. That is not good. You should have some things like end to the game and things, or more type of upgrades which will make it more fun. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. All the projects are going to end soon, so I will start the project review series again. I will inform you in the last episode of this season. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.